Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your tip of the week. And today I want to talk to you about the qualification step in the sales process. For most, we have been trained that the goal of the qualification step is to narrow down the amount of choices a customer has when walking the inventory. We ask for their budget, if they have a trade, if so, how much do they owe on that trade, what options and accessories are important to them, and maybe for their timeline to make a purchase. In reality, those are some of the worst questions you can ask. You see, the goal of the qualification step is only to determine what direction to head in when starting the inventory walk. Why would you ever want to narrow down the amount of cars someone should look at? NADA reports every year that almost 70% of all buyers change their mind on what they want when they are at the dealership. Plus, by asking all of those questions, you run the risk of the customer lying to you, and then you will actually show them cars that they are not truly interested in. When I do a qualification, all I ask is two non-threatening questions. First, are you looking for a new or used car? And then, are you considering a coupe, sedan, minivan, utility vehicle, or truck? Then with those answers, I know where to start heading to on the lot. I want my customers to see all the cars we have that fit into that minimal set of initial requirements. Once on the lot, the customer will then gravitate themselves to the cars that they like. This process allows the customer to be more relaxed, less defensive, and enjoy the process so much more. Always remember, pick the wrong car and your entire process ends right there. Give it a try. I think you'll be surprised at the results. Good luck, everyone, and as always, please be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.